What's going on, everybody? My name is Zayden, and you're watching Reap What You Sow Gardening. In this video, I'm going to be showing you multiple ways that you can reuse leaves in the garden as a beneficial resource. Let's do this. The most classic way is to compost them. We mulch them with the lawnmower and we put them in our compost tumbler. So we turn the compost, let it rot, put it in the garden, it becomes black gold, which all gardeners and farmers, homesteaders call it. So we mulch all the leaves and just put them in the compost. Let's move on to the second way. The second way is using them as mulch. Like I just said, you can mulch them up with your lawnmower, remove the discharge from it, and just put it on mulching mode and put it around plants like our blueberry bush. Or maybe put it around stuff like potatoes or garlic or any plant you can think of. Even trees, even fruit trees, even vines. So that's number 2. Number 3, compost tea. And that rhymes. I wish I had a ton of it. But these raised beds with the potatoes and this one for eggplants, we're going to be putting eggplants in here. We drilled holes in the bottom to let water out, but we also have a thick layer of leaves in it. And when you till this, it turns, black water, which is just the fertilizer, rotting leaves turning into fertilizer. That's number 3. And number 4, you can use leaf mold. What is leaf mold? You may be asking. It's a type of compost that you just let it rot. So let's do number 5. So let's move here for number 5. Number 5 is for burning leaves. And you might be asking, well, Zayden, what does burning leaves have anything to do with the garden? Isn't that against gardening? Well, of course not. But burning leaves, if you have enough Kindle to burn it all, and make sure it's on a little damp day, don't do it in fall. Please don't do it in the summer. Well, you can do it in the summer, but make sure it's a little cool out. You don't want it, catching anything on fire. But burn the leaves to a crisp and just burn them, add logs and sticks of your liking. Don't add any plastic or non-organic material. Let that stuff rot and decompose overnight and put the burnt wood ash, or as I say, biochar, in the garden, and it does wonders. You can also do the same with hickory nuts and acorns. If you have too many nuts around your yard, then just burn them and just crush them up, put them in your garden. So that's number 5. Let's see what number 6 is. So number 6 is, what can you do with number 6? I guess it's just 5. And that's perfect, because 5 is, a nice number. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you learned anything from it, give it a thumbs up too. Share it around. Make sure you subscribe to Reap What You Sow Gardening. That helps me heaps. If you have any questions about gardening, comment down below. I'll read from them. And I'll give you shout outs. Thanks for watching and keep on growing.